Thank you to CurlMix for sponsoring this video. Step 1. Clean the tub, then set the mood.
A word of caution. According to a study, self-destructive behavior can be developed on a summer afternoon, or maybe that egg yolk on your plate during breakfast on your favorite holiday. So, what? Yeah, you guessed it right. Color, flavors, taste, and also flavor. Whose favorite colors are health colors? Explain for your flow.
Step 2. Wash your hair. Step 3, do your deep conditioning. Deep conditioning. Step 4, prepare your bath and grab all your amenities. So now it's finally time to set up your bath, add some bubbles, and grab anything else you will need. And I feel like it wouldn't be a real spa day unless I didn't include skincare, right? So I decided to save the CurlMix Fresh Kit that I received last month to try out today because it literally has everything you would need for a perfect spa day. So the kit is called Boomin Blueberry Hydrating Face Kit and it's made with blueberry extract, which is full of anti-aging properties, improves your circulation, and boosts collagen. It also has a lot of vitamin C in it, which is essential for keeping your skin nice and smooth. It comes with a facial cleanser, a toner, a mud mask, a serum, and an all-in-one face cream. Since I'll be putting my mask on while in the bath, I'm going to cleanse my face really quick with the Boomin Blueberry Facial Cleanser. I really love that it's a foam because I feel like it makes the experience more spa-like to me. And it just feels so smooth and smells like blueberries, of course. And after rinsing it, my face felt nice and clean after. And now, the moment that I've been waiting for. Oh baby, bath time. I have my bath activities ready to go. Now, let's get in. Non-movable. The anxiety in me is freaking out, but I have to calm myself down. When you try new things, whoa, it's actually working and it's getting hard. I think. think it's time to rinse this out now. Okay, all anxiety aside, my face smells as smooth as a baby's bottom right now. And I know my face is loving me right now. You're welcome, face. I know you needed it. I know I neglect you a lot because I suck at skincare, but with the help of this kit, maybe we'll get somewhere. And fun fact, that was my first mass experience ever. Okay, back to the relaxation. Okay, wow, what a difference skincare and some face shaving will make. Let me just say, if you're looking for a nice skincare kit, 10 out of 10 would recommend that one for sure, especially for people with sensitive skin or common allergies like me. And like I said, it was actually the monthly CurlMix Fresh kit for last month, which they only usually send exclusively to people who are subscribed to the monthly CurlMix Fresh kit. But people loved it so much that they decided to sell it on the site for a limited time. So I'll link it in the description box if you want to check it out. And if you enjoy receiving exclusive self-care, hair care, and even body care kits like these every month, I would also highly recommend subscribing to them as well, because all the stuff that they send is handmade and it's such amazing quality. Oh, and for my hair, I just use my current favorite hair products from them as well, minus the moisturizer. And then before I went to bed, I just put it up in a pineapple and put my scarf on. Alright, so it's the next day, and not gonna lie, I was super tired last night, so I really didn't protect my hair that well, which is not good because it was wet. Yeah, I messed up the top. But it's okay because I have the perfect hairstyle that will fix it. Ta-da! And shh, that's just between you and me. Don't tell anyone. Now lastly, but certainly not least, nail time, girlfriend. Meant to do this yesterday, but I ran out of time. But I really wanted to do this, especially with Valentine's Day coming up, which is also why I went with red nails, you know, because I'm trying to get my sexy on, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, anyways, how cute is this little nail painting stand? It was a birthday present from my grandmother, and it works so well, super convenient. But I'm not going to show too much because I actually suck at painting my nails, so I kind of got it all messy looking, and yeah, it looks better from afar. Wow, did that have to end? You guys do not understand how much I really needed this self-care day. I just feel so loved by myself, like for myself. It just feels really good when you do stuff for yourself. And now that I feel like I'm taken care of, I feel so much more excited to give the same amount of love to the people around me that I love and care about. And yeah, specifically to my boyfriend for Valentine's Day. which is also going to be our anniversary, and I feel a lot better going into that day because I took care of myself. And no matter if you're spending Valentine's Day with someone or alone, either way, make sure you schedule yourself a self-care day. Thank you again, CurlMix, for helping me enjoy the best self-care day I've had yet, and to many more in the future. And I will keep you guys updated on my skin because I'm working on it. I always want to know who watched until the end, so if you watched until the end, let me know by leaving your favorite form of self-care. What is the one thing that you like to do during your self-care day? Do you like to do your hair? Do you like to do your nails? Do you like to do skincare? What is your thing? Let me know that in the comments down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Much love. So much love.